Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are doing our monthly unboxing of the Nails in a Coffin bundle, and the November one just went for sale pre-order. So snag it because they're exclusive and they are limited. So the first thing that I unboxed was a cute little nail feet prop, which I always forget to use them. I have like a little box with some in them and I always forget. I'm going to try to use this one at some point, but these are the decals that came with the bundle. They're so cute. So she definitely has more spooky vibes, but you know, she tries to tailor them. I love those ones, you know, to the majority of people. So she didn't go overly spooky with these. They're more cute and I love them. I'm going to do a mani using the colors that came in this bundle and some of the decals. At this point, I haven't decided which ones I'm using. I decide after I get the colors on because I kind of want to coordinate, you know, as best I can anyway, with the colors that came. This is Crisp Fall Air, I believe. Cuticle oil from Pretty Cuticles. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like it's described. I absolutely loved it. Here are the dips, which you will see in a second in all their glory. Boom, there they are. So this is the glitter and this is the solid. They both say they glow, but I had a really hard time getting the glitter to glow, at least in the pictures. I could see it more like just on my hands in the dark, but when I was trying to get pictures of it, it was not cooperating, but the purple was cooperating beautifully. And then this is Sassy Mouth, and it is whipped cream glow kini. Yeah, that's it, I believe. Anyway, it's amazing. And I do this one under the decal, so we're just doing one nail with this color and then two nails with the purple and two nails with the glitter. I'm gonna let you guys watch for a minute and I will be back shortly.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up.
So we are done with our first layer. I did leave the second layer in. I'm just sporadic with that. I did not leave the clear capping in, but I do clear cap every single nail. This glitter applied so beautifully and I loved it. I don't know, maybe if I were to do it again, I would only do one coat, but two looked really good. So it's hard to say. Every glitter is different for me, and it's kind of just trial and error of what I like best. I always start with one, and then, sometimes I pour over the first layer, sometimes I dip directly in. I kind of just gauge it on the glitter mix, and this had a lot of like really small pieces. So usually when it's more small versus like a chunky, I will lay the first layer in. If it's really chunky, then I will likely pour over the first layer and then lay the second layer in. So it just kind of depends on the glitter mix based on what I do. But we are doing our second layer now. This does go pretty quickly, so I'm not going to torture you guys forever, and then we'll get into the decal nail. I did not 100% like these press-ons. They looked fine on, but I did have to cut these down because they were so long. And I've like I have like, I don't know. If you exclude all my boxes of jelly tips that I don't use because I'm too afraid that I just don't want to risk a reaction. I don't think I would because my allergy isn't like super bad, but I also don't want it to get super bad. So I'm just trying not to expose myself to anything like that. Granted, I have heard, and I don't know this for a fact, but I have heard that jelly tips are really nothing more than plastic. So I don't know why they're called jelly tips if there's no gel in them. I just don't want to take the risk, but at some point I might. But my biggest problem with all the press-ons I have, except the short little stiletto ones I've been using a lot lately in a lot of my manis, those are like the perfect length. Actually, maybe if they were just a tiny bit longer, they'd be better, but they're a really good length. But all my coffin ones are like super long, and I have no problem with that if I'm just popping them on to take a picture. These I was actually going to try to wear for the whole weekend, but I did not. But that's not anything to do with the fact that I don't know. I wanted to create more sets. I had some spare time on Sunday, so I took them off. But yeah, I really am trying to find that like good length. Medium seems to be too long, short seems to be too short. Kind of in a conundrum. Not sure where, and I've just been like looking on Amazon and they all look the same. I am tipped out. I don't know what to say. If you have any suggestions, shoot them my way. Like message me on either Instagram or you can send me an email. I think my email's associated with this. If you have any links of really good tips that are not short, but are not like long. Like around this length would be super perfect, or even maybe just a little bit longer, but I don't really like them too short. So anyway, that's my spiel. Hopefully the background noise isn't too bad. My stepdad is out cutting some wood. We were working all day and then we stopped and then he went back out, and I'm trying to avoid going out with him. Shh, don't say anything. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm just so tired. I just want to get this voiceover done and eat dinner and crash out. Well, not really crash, but relax. Anyway, we are activating these nails, and I saved the 2 glitter nails for last so that I can lay them flat after the first layer of activator. And I've been calling this a doohickey, but it's just so weird. I don't know why I call it that, but I'm going to call it my glitter smasher. Although, funny enough, you'll notice I barely even use it because I'm like, I have gloves on. I can just use my fingers. Why am I using this? So I don't know. It may or may not make debuts in future videos. I might put it on and then do the same thing I'm doing right now. And then at some point I will probably likely just stop putting it on. I think with this nail, I start off with this and then I think I just started using my fingers after that. Or maybe I use this. Nope. See, I knew it. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So now I'm going to finish activating these. I do file and buff them off camera. The file process is super easy. I just go around the edges really quick, and then I just with a 180 grit go over the top just to smooth out the nail, and then I buff the top, and then bam, done. And they're perfect. There is something so simple and awesome about making press-ons. I kind of miss doing them on my nails, but I don't miss like irritating my my cuticles and my sidewalls with the file. And these are just so stinking easy. So I don't know what the future holds as far as whether I will go back. I did pick those decals that you just saw. I'm going to get this one all cut out and then applied. I do use, whenever I'm doing a full cover decal, I always use the Crazy Girl Stuck. And if I'm doing like just a single image decal, then I use the Maniology Sticky Base Coat. I do like that with the Maniology Sticky Base Coat. If I don't place my decal exactly where I wanted it, I can move it a little bit into place, where with the stuck, you're not moving anything. It's just stuck. But that with the full cover, that doesn't really happen. I usually get it all, I cover the entire nail, so I'm not 100% worried about it. So I'm going to let you guys watch me apply this decal, and I will be back very soon.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
So as you can see, I cut around the decal the big majority of the excess, and then right now I'm just going around with the 180 grit side of the file. And this is another bonus to doing press-ons because I definitely could not do this on my natural nails. Whatever, on my nails. So I just went around with the file to get anything hanging off. And then now I'm going to go in. I know this is crazy, and if you watch my videos before, you know that this is what I do. But I go in with a layer of activator. I'm not putting down as much. You don't really want to slop it on there. Like, you don't want a ton because you don't want to rip the decal. But I'm telling you, if you do that and then kind of go over, whether you're doing this on your nails or on press-ons, it doesn't matter. And then you go over the nail like I am. it's going to help it lay flat and smooth out any wrinkles that are still in it. I swear this was flawless application. And then I wait a couple minutes and I do go over with my lint-free wipe really carefully. I don't want to rip anything. I know it looks like I'm like pressing hard, but I'm really not. I'm just being gentle. And then I personally encapsulate with a layer of base coat. Even though this is odorless, it dries super fast. If you were to do this with regular liquids, you may harden your brush. So you just want to go really, really fast because the activator, you know, was just on the nail. So I did that and now they're on. Bam. And that's the glow. Oh, so cool. So you can kind of see the glitter, the glow and the glitter. Just, it's not as bam in your face as the other nails. So now I'm going to use that cuticle oil that came in the bundle. It was so good. And we're done. We're all wrapped up. Stick around. There's a couple pictures at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do highly suggest getting a bundle from Nailzinacoffin. They are so good and they're all exclusive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in.